Hi everyone. Let's take a look at the following example. Graph f of x, which equals to x to the power 3 plus 1 divided by x squared. Step number 1. State the vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, and the oblique asymptote. By inspection, if you look at the denominator, x squared cannot be 0. This means x cannot be 0, which implies there's a vertical asymptote at x equal to 0. Step 2, if you think about the degree in the numerator relative to the degree in the denominator, notice how 3 is 1 greater than 2. So this signals to you there's going to be an oblique asymptote. And to find this, you have to divide. So x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x plus 1, and dividing this by x squared plus 0x plus 0. So if you think about this, x squared times x is going to be x to the power 3 plus 0x squared plus 0x. Now subtracting, and it will give you a remainder of 1. The quotient is going to be x, which is exactly the oblique asymptote. So there's an oblique asymptote at y equal to x, and there are no horizontal asymptotes. So again, I go back and I can start graphing both asymptotes. Again, I can start with the vertical asymptote at x equal to 0. There's the oblique asymptote at y equal to x. And again, I can go back and find end behavior. I can find the behavior near the vertical asymptote. And the best way to do this is you can pick numbers such as 1 and -1. So you can go back, and in the calculator, when x equals to 1, y equals to 1 plus 1 divided by 1, which is going to be 2. So the function is going to look, roughly speaking, something like that. Again, you can verify with more points, but that's a rough sketch. Likewise, if you plug in x equal to -1, that's going to be -1 cubed plus 1 divided by -1 squared. Again, if you think about this, that's going to be 0, which is going to be exactly the x-intercept. So again, the graph is going to look something like that. Now, here comes the most important step. You always want to verify if the graph will cross the horizontal or sometimes the oblique asymptote. And to verify that, you can say, well, if they do cross, that means the function x cubed plus 1 divided by x squared must equal to the oblique asymptote. And if you cross multiply, x cubed plus 1 equals to x cubed, you cross that out, 1 becomes 0, which is not possible. So this means the function cannot cross the oblique asymptote. And this is how you roughly sketch f of x equal to x cubed plus 1 all over x squared. If you find this video meaningful and it's adding value to your math life, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I hope this makes sense.